So let's solve this problem. So find the value for x squared and y squared if 1 over x plus 1 over x minus y equals 1 over 4 for any positive integers x and y where x is greater than y. So first, we let a equals x plus y and b equals x minus y. Then from this equation, a must be greater than b because a is x plus y and b is x minus y. So this equation becomes 1 over a plus 1 over b equals 1 over 4. Then to simplify this equation, we just need to multiply this whole equation by the LCD, and the LCD is the product of these three denominators. So that's 4 times A times B. Then to simplify, so distribute to this term, so we can cancel A, and the remaining is 4B. Then plus to this term, we can cancel B, so the remaining is 4A, then equals to this term. We can cancel 4, so the remaining is A times B. Then to simplify, so transpose this 4A to the other side. So we have 4B equals A times B, and this positive 4A becomes negative 4A. Then we can factor out this A. So put this A outside. So this becomes A times B minus 4. Then to solve for A, divide both sides by B minus 4. Then we can cancel. So we have now A equals 4B over B minus 4. Then observe from this equation, B must be greater than 4 because if B is equal to 4, this equation becomes undefined, and if B is less than 4, A becomes negative, but the value for x and y must be positive integers, so therefore B must be greater than 4. So then we need to assign now the value for B. So let's start with B equals 5, and to solve for A using this equation, so we have 4 times B, or 4 times 5 because B is 5, over 5 minus 4. So this becomes 20 over 1. So therefore A is equal to 20. Then to check if these values will give a positive integers for x and y. So from this equation, A is 20 equals x plus y. Then B is 5 equals x minus y. Then if we add these two equations, so we can eliminate this y, the positive y and the negative y. So this becomes 25 equals 1x plus 1x, that's 2x. Then divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. So 25 divided by 2, this is 12.5. So observe that the value for x is not an integers because this one is decimal. So therefore, these values for B and A are not the values for this equation. Then let's proceed to the other value for b. So if b is equal to 6, then to solve for a from this equation, so this becomes 4 times 6 over 6 minus 4, and this is 24 over 2. So therefore, a is equal to 12. Then to check if the value is positive integers, so a is 12 equals x plus y. Then b is 6 equals x minus y. Then add, so eliminate now this y. 6 plus 12, this one is 18, equals 2x. Then divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 9. Then to check now the value for y, using this x equals 9. So from this first equation, so a is 12 equals x. X is 9. Then plus y. Then to solve for y transpose, so we have 12 minus 9 equals y. So therefore, y is equal to 3. So observe that the values for x and y are positive integers. So possible, these are the values for a and b. But we need to check the other value for a and b. So what if b is equal to 7? Then to solve for a, so a will give us a fraction. So this is not the value for a and b. Then if b is equal to 8, so a is also equal to 8. But from this, a must be greater than b. So therefore, the values for a and b is 6 and 12. So using now this value to solve for x and y, so we have x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 3. So therefore, the values for x squared plus y squared, so this is 9 squared plus 3 squared, and 9 squared is 81, 3 squared is 9. So the answer is equal to 90.